Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you tired of spending hours on mundane tasks that could easily be automated? Well, get ready to say goodbye to manual labor and hello to a more efficient and productive workflow with AI automation using Microsoft Power Platform. First, let's break down what AI automation is. It's the use of artificial intelligence to perform repetitive tasks and make decisions without human intervention. And with Microsoft Power Platform, you can easily create automated workflows and processes without any coding knowledge. But why use AI automation? Well, let me give you one key insight. It saves time and reduces errors. Imagine having to manually enter data from one system to another. Not only is it time-consuming, but also prone to human errors. With AI automation, you can eliminate these errors and free up your time to focus on more important tasks. Now, let's dive into the different components of Microsoft Power Platform that make AI automation possible. First, we have Power Apps, a low-code platform where you can create custom apps for your specific business needs. Next, we have Power Automate, a tool that allows you to create automated workflows by connecting different apps and services. And finally, we have Power BI, a powerful data analytics tool that can gather and analyze data from various sources to provide valuable insights. But what sets Microsoft Power Platform apart from other automation tools? Well, it's the integration with other Microsoft applications like Office 365 and Dynamics 365. This means you can easily incorporate your existing data and processes into your automated workflows, making it a seamless transition. Now, you might be wondering, but how do I get started with AI automation using Microsoft Power Platform? It's simple. Start with identifying repetitive tasks in your workflow. Then use Power Automate to create automated workflows for those tasks. You'll be amazed at how much time and effort you'll save. And that's it for our short intro to AI automation using Microsoft Power Platform. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new tech training content. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.